Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Geek. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Huntington Mobile banking account. So if you have an account in the Huntington Bank and want to now set it up with a mobile banking service so that it's easier for you to keep track of your finances and to view your account balances, your activity, your withdraw, transfer, your credit cards, or any sort of other payments and check balances, this is what you need to do. First of all, make sure that you've gone to your app store, and on your app store make sure that you've typed in Huntington on the search bar. So here I'm just going to show you how you can do that. After you tap on Huntington, you will land on an interface like this where you'll be able to see an app that says Huntington Mobile. Tap on it and then tap on the download button in order to start downloading the app. After the app gets downloaded, tap on the open button. And then you'll be directed towards an interface like this where you'll be asked to enter your credentials that are your username and your password in order to log into your account. But since you're new to online banking, what you can do is you can tap on Enroll Now. And after tapping on the Enroll Now button, you will now get directed towards a completely new interface where you'll have to enter certain credentials and give in certain information in order to begin creating your mobile banking experience. So first of all, what you have to do here, it says that in order to enroll in online banking service, what you have to do is you have to verify your account information. So here you'll have to give in your account number or debit card. You also have to access to a phone number you previously provided, your email address, and that you have to be 13 years or older. So here you have to choose which enrollment path you'd like to take, whether it's your personal account number, your personal debit card, your business, and then enter the account number, your social security number, or your tax ID, and then tap on the continue button. In this manner, when you complete all of these 4 processes, you'll be able to sign up for your own mobile banking experience. I hope that this video has guided you through the initials of how you can get there. I hope that this video has been useful to you. If you found this helpful, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to How to Geek. Also hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.